Bow windows installation in Pompano Beach is a popular choice for homeowners looking to enhance their property's curb appeal. With a variety of bow windows Pompano Beach styles available, residents can select the perfect design to complement their home's architecture. Bow windows installation Pompano Beach services ensure a seamless fit and professional finish, adding value and beauty to any residence. Custom bow windows. Pompano Beach offer a personalized touch, allowing homeowners to choose from a range of materials and finishes. These custom bow windows are designed to meet specific aesthetic and functional needs, providing a unique look that stands out. Bow windows specialists in Pompano Beach can guide you through the customization process, ensuring your vision becomes a reality. Energy-efficient bow windows. Pompano Beach are an excellent investment for those looking to reduce energy costs. These windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, keeping homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Bow windows experts in Pompano Beach can provide insights into the best energy-efficient options available, helping you make an informed decision. Bow windows replacement. Pompano Beach services are essential for maintaining the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular bow windows maintenance can prevent issues such as leaks and drafts, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. Bow windows contractors in Pompano Beach offer comprehensive replacement and maintenance services to keep your windows functioning optimally. Bow windows replacement Pompano Beach is a practical solution for outdated or damaged windows. Replacing old windows with new, energy-efficient models can significantly improve your home's comfort and appearance. Bow Windows installation company Pompano Beach provides expert replacement services, ensuring a hassle-free experience from start to finish. Bow Windows Design Pompano Beach offers a wide array of options to suit any taste. From traditional to contemporary styles, there is a bow window design to match every home. Bow Windows Showroom Pompano Beach allows you to explore various designs and materials, helping you make the best choice for your property. Bow windows cost Pompano Beach can vary depending on the size, materials, and complexity of the installation. It's important to obtain bow windows quotes from multiple suppliers to ensure you receive the best value for your investment. Bow windows suppliers Pompano Beach can provide detailed pricing information and help you understand the factors that influence cost. Bow windows benefits. Pompano Beach extend beyond aesthetics, offering increased natural light and improved ventilation. These windows create a sense of space and openness, making rooms feel larger and more inviting. Bow windows enhancements. Pompano Beach can further improve functionality, such as adding seating or storage beneath the window. Bow windows, Pompano Beach materials include options like wood, vinyl, and aluminum, each offering unique advantages. The choice of materials can impact the durability, maintenance requirements, and overall appearance of your windows. Bow windows, consultation. Pompano Beach services can help you weigh the pros and cons of each material, ensuring you make the best choice for your home.